Hello students, welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting with the class 9 chapter number 1, that is matter in our surroundings. Students, first you will see that what is a matter. So students, I am writing it over here that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Okay, this I think you have understood what is the correct definition for matter. Now when we will be reading this chapter, that time this will be very helpful for you all. Okay, so now let's start reading this chapter. As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shape, size and texture. Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. In the air we breathe, food we eat, stone, cloud, star, planet, animal, plants, animals, even a drop of water or a particle of sand, each thing is matter. So everything is a matter, that is a material. We also see and look around at things all mentioned above occupy space, that is has volume and have mass. So this is the correct definition of matter that is given over here, and you can also underline this in your NCERT book, so that whenever you are reading this chapter, the first thing that should be strike on your mind is the definition of matter. Students, now let's see. In the early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings, and early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements. Now how that was a Panch Tattva. So now what is a Panch Tattva? See, air, earth, fire, sky and water. So these 5 things constitute matter along to the belief of earlier philosopher. Now according to them, everything like living or non-living was made up of these 5 basic elements. Ancient Greek philosopher had arrived at similar classification of matter. Modern day scientists have evolved 2 types of classification of matter based on their physical properties and chemical nature. Now if we talk about modern science, okay, so in this chapter we shall learn about matter based on physical properties. Chemical aspect of matter will be taken up in the subsequent chapters also, and this is your 10-minute session, so we will be only discussing each and every part for 10 minutes only. Now see, physical nature of matter. So this is the first thing. We are only classifying matter on the basis of physical chemical aspect. So the first aspect is physical nature. Now see, what is the first in that sub part is given. Matter is made up of particles. So the matter is made up of particles. This is the first thing. Each and every matter consisted of millions of particles. Everything rotates on this particular word, that is particles. Okay, so see students, over here for a long time 2 schools of thought prevailed regarding the nature of matter. One school believed matter to be continuous like a block of wood, whereas the other thought that matter was made up of particles like sand. Let us perform an activity to decide whether the nature of matter is it constitute or particulate. Continuous means like this does not have any break, and particulate means like in form of particles. So now let's see the activity. What does it say? Take a 100 milliliter beaker, fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Dissolve some salt, sugar with the help of glass rod. Observe any change in the water level. What do you think has happened to the salt? Where does it disappear? Does the level of water change? So when we dissolve the water, so that time when we dissolve salt in the water, that time salt gets dissolved and disappears in the water. So that means what? Salt was not continuous. It was made up of very tiny particles. Each crystal of salt was made up of particles. In order to answer these questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. What was there in the spoon, salt or sugar, has now spread throughout the water. It could not have spread if it was still now in the crystal form, but it has spread. So that means the particles have dissociated and have spread. Okay, now see the how small are these particles of matter, मीन्स कितने छोटे हैं, इसको हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी की मदद से प्रूव करेंगे. Take 2 to 3 crystal of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 milliliter of water. So you have to take in 100 milliliter of water. Now see, take out approximately 10 milliliter of this solution and put it into 90 milliliter of clear water. Now I have to take this 10 milliliter solution of this KMnO4 plus water and put it into 90 milliliter of clear water. Now see, take out 100 milliliter of this solution and put it into another 90 milliliter of clear water. Means KMnO4 plus water, that's 10 milliliter will be taking and will be putting in another 90 milliliter. ऐसे करते जाएंगे 5 से 8 बार में, तो क्या होगा, फाइनली वी विल बी गेटिंग अ लाइट कलर. मीन्स जो KMnO4 है वो डाइल्यूट होता गया, ये वाटर डाइल्यूट होता गया और KMnO4 जो वो डिसअपियर होना चालू हो गया. This experiment shows that just a few crystal of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. अगर हम यहाँ की बात करें तो हम लोगों ने इतना इसका प्योरीफिकेशन किया तो भी थोड़े बहुत क्रिस्टल से भी हम लोग को क्या पता चल जाए कि इस 100 मिलीलीटर ऑफ वाटर में थोड़ा बहुत कलर आ रहा है. So we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate. तो यहाँ पर क्या हमको पता चला, एक ही potassium permanganate crystal में millions of particles है, and that's why when these particles got divided and we purified them, then also some of the particles were remaining, and these gave color. See students, which keep dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. Ultimately, a stage is reached when the particle cannot divide further into smaller particles. Okay. So afterwards the stage will come, a constant state will come when the particles will now not get more dissociated. Now the same activity can be done using a 2 ml of Dettol instead of potassium permanganate. The smell can be detected even on repeated dilution. So we can detect that time the smell. So when we are diluting it, then also the smell of Dettol will come after 5 to 8 times dilution. That means the particles are still present. Students, now let's see the characteristics of the particles of matter. So now students, you see over here, the next is the characteristic of particle of matter. In the earlier two experiments, we learnt about the size of the particles and where the means if particles are present or not. In activities 1.1 and 1.2, we saw particles of sugar, salt, Dettol, KMnO4 got evenly distributed in water. Similarly, when we make tea, coffee or lemonade like Nimbu Pani, particles of one type of matter get into spaces between the particles of other. हम अगर नींबू पानी की बात करें तो उसमें नींबू के जो पार्टिकल्स होंगे वो वाटर के साथ मिक्स होंगे, जस्ट शो दैट देयर इज इनफ स्पेस बिटवीन पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर, तभी तो वो मिक्स हो पाए, अदरवाइज इट वुड नॉट हैव बीन पॉसिबल. सो दैट इज ओनली द मेन थिंग दैट वी आर लर्निंग ओवर हियर. नाउ सी द स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज देयर, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द मैटर आर कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी, अब हम देखते हैं मूव करते कि नहीं. पुट एंड यू अनलिट इंसेंस स्टिक इन अ कॉर्नर ऑफ योर क्लास. अनलिट इंसेंस स्टिक का मतलब, इंसेंस स्टिक का मतलब होता है कि अगरबत्ती, और अनलिट ना, अनलिट मतलब कि जली हुई नहीं. यू हाउ क्लोज डू यू हैव टू गो नियर इट सो दैट टू गेट्स द स्मेल. अगर आपको कितना पास, तो आपको एकदम पास जाना पड़ेगा तब आपको स्मेल आएगी. नाउ लाइट द इंसेंस स्टिक. What happens? Do you get the smell sitting at a distance? Yes, we are getting. That is the main thing, that particles जो है वो हवा में flow कर रहे हैं और हमारे पास आ रहे हैं. तो flow कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब move कर रहे हैं. See the next activity. Take 2 glasses beakers filled with the water. Put a drop of blue or red ink slowly. हाँ, ये वाली activity में they see students, this one activity is also important, but I am just explaining you what is there in this activity. It is only explaining that when we are taking a drop of ink and when we are putting it in the water solution, after some time we will be getting that whole of the ink, means the whole of water solution will be getting colored. This is shown in activity 1.4. Now similarly, when we talk about activity 1.5, see, drop a crystal of copper sulfate or potassium permanganate into glass of hot water and another containing cold water. Do not stir the solution. Now after some time what will be happening is, the solution, means the hot solution, there the color will be appearing, whereas in the cold solution the color will be not appearing. So what conclusions can be made with activity 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5? So see students, I am underlining the conclusions given over here. First you see, I am seeing this much, and now we will be underlining in that. See, particles of matter are continuously moving. तो पहली चीज़ तो यही, दैट दे पोजेस व्हाट वी कॉल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज द एनर्जी ड्यू टू मोशन. तो मोशन कर रहे हैं तो एक एनर्जी होगी उनके अंदर. एज द टेम्परेचर राइज पार्टिकल मूव फास्टर. हम लोगों ने टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज किया तो पार्टिकल ज़्यादा तेजी से गए. सो वी कैन से दैट विद द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर ओवर हियर, सी द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. Above 3 activities, you observe particle of matter intermix on their own with each other. Okay, they do so by getting spaces between the particles. तो ये चीज़ भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर इसको डिस्कस कर ली है. This intermixing of particle of different type of matter on their own state is called diffusion. तो यहाँ पर ये diffusion की जो definition ये आपको याद करनी पड़ेगी. And become faster when we heat the diffusion. That time the diffusion will become faster. एंड वाई डज दिस हैपन, हम लोगों ने अभी देखा, क्योंकि पार्टिकल्स की काइनेटिक एनर्जी तेज हो जाएगी तो वो अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में ज़्यादा जाने लग जाएंगे और इसलिए वो डिजॉल्व होने लग जाएंगी. So I think you have understood whatever is given over here, and in the next class we will be starting with a new topic, that particles of matter attract each other. So there is attraction between the particles of matter. So I hope that you will be liking this video and you will be subscribing to this channel for getting more updates on the videos. Okay, so that is all. Our 10-minute session is going to be over. Thank you.